With a new hero armor system introduced in patch 490, your ships can now gain powerful bonuses, from critical resistance and armor boosts to healing and rage generation. But here's the challenge: getting this armor takes a massive amount of station medals. Welcome back to Meta Instincts. In this video, we'll break down exactly what hero armor is, how to get it, and how to farm station medals efficiently, so you don't waste time or resources. Gang Station Overview. The Gang Station is a brand new gameplay mode with multiple islands that your gang must conquer. Capturing an island unlocks the next one, earns rewards, and opens up station tech upgrades. Each capture takes at least 4 days. Day 1, War Declaration. Day 2, Outpost Battle. Day 3, Battle Time Selection. Day 4, Siege Battle. If your gang fails, you'll need to try again. The key reward here? Station medals, the currency you'll need to buy hero armor and other valuable items like unconscious and material for trinket upgrades. Hero armor. Hero armor works a lot like trinkets. You can upgrade it to level 100 and promote it up to 6 stars. But it uses a different material, Neptunian cores, available from the station store or through bundles. Star Ascension likely requires dismantling armor for materials, like trinkets, though this isn't confirmed in-game yet. Armor comes in 3 rarities: Rare, Epic, and Legendary, all giving boosts to critical resistance, impact, and armor. Legendary armor offers the highest boost, up to 36%, and unlocks a special tag effect based on the hero's role. Captain gains Mighty Plate that increases ship armor when attacked. First Mate gain a 10% damage bonus when HP is more than 50%, or a 10% damage reduction below 50%. Gunner has a 10% chance to gain 22 rage when attacked. Jack of all trades heals ship every 8 seconds for 100% of the ship's attack. Be sure to equip the right hero: Griffin for Captain armor, Shara for Gunner armor, and so on, or you'll miss out on the effect. If you're spending money on Sea of Conquest, GemZ has the best deal in the market. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. However, with GemZ it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. How to get? We can exchange the armor fragment by using the station medal in the station store. Each legendary armor costs 50 fragments, and each fragment requires 600 station medals. That means 30,000 medals per legendary armor. To fully equip 18 heroes, you're looking at a staggering 540,000 medals. So, how do we farm medals? First, capturing the island will gain us the first capture rewards. For example, 500 medals for the level 1 Wood Isle. Next, we can also gain medals from the damage ranking rewards during the outpost and siege battles. For example, we got 360 medals by ranking at 35 in the outpost battle. We will also gain medals when donating to the station tech. If you want to get them at a faster rate, you can opt for the weekly subscription at $5. It gets you 1,200 medals per day, that's over 8,000 medals weekly. We didn't cover everything about Gang Station in this video, like elite sailors or gang resources. If you want to see a dedicated guide on those, drop a comment below and we'll make it happen. Alright, this is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.